Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how you can use triggers in WPF. So let's see, I have a button. So I will start from a stack panel with a button, content, click me, font size 60, width 300. So I have a button. Now I will go into window dot resource, and in that I will create a style with a target of button. So here I am applying a setter, the property of background color, value is equal to red. So you can see I have applied that setter to that button. Now I will create some triggers. Style dot triggers, trigger property is mouse hour, value true. When this is true, I will set some value. Setter property background value will be yellow. So I will change it to foreground because the background property is already set by the framework. So let's see, I have a trigger that is on the property of mouse hour. If the value is true, then I will set that property to that value. I will set the foreground to yellow. Let's see. So as you can see, when mouse is over the button, the foreground color will be yellow. You can also set some other values like width or height. Width 350, height 150, and font size or font weight heavy. Let's try that. As you can see, when I will click or when I will move the cursor on the button, it is changing the font weight and the height. So as you can see, it is changing the width, height and font size. Also you can set some other properties as you like. So this is the method of using triggers in WPF. You can apply to any other control. I have applied to button, you can apply to any other control, and this is very powerful way to make responsive UI.